Ho, ho, ho. Brian Dalinghaus?
Well, hey Santa, what do I have the pleasure of speaking with you for today?
Yes, I will keep it short this time. Brian, I hate to ask this close to Christmas, but the workshop floor at the North Pole is sloping. Cracks everywhere. The elves are filing complaints.
Definitely sounds like foundation issues.
Can you help us up here?
Door sticking?
Festive, but yes. So you can help the North Pole?
It's a little bit out of our area, but we can definitely do something to help you out, Santa. I know how busy you are this time of year and what it means to the elves.
So, what's something like this going to cost me?
Well, we'll first need to do a foundation inspection, but we take every major credit card and bank transfers, and even cash.
I've got cookies?
The cookies better be made by Mrs. Claus if you're going to do any sort of cookie transfer. And if you guys are having any foundation issues, feel free to give us a call. We are here Monday through Wednesday this week and Monday through Wednesday next week. And you can schedule your free foundation inspection. And from all of us at Dalinghaus Construction, have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.